This is the biggest pattern box I've ever received. Let's open it. Welcome to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. I hope that you like what you see and subscribe below for more. I have the biggest pattern box here that I have ever received. I'm not kidding y'all, I'm really excited to show you all some of my favorite patterns in this collection. I've already seen some of them, haven't seen them all, but I have seen some and I'm gagging. I do want to say this before we jump in because I know a lot of people see this box and they want to know, how did I get the box? I actually work for Simplicity. It's my 9-to-5 job, and one of the things that I get to do is receive collections. That way I can create content, videos like this, and also other things to promote the new collection and just kind of get the word out so people know new patterns are here, and head on over to simplicity.com to shop them. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's open this thing up, okay? If you see anything that you like while I'm sharing, the collection is live right now on simplicity.com, so you don't even have to wait to shop, okay? Just get the number and head on over and shop it today. Okay, first one here is Simplicity 3064. This is by Mimi G. This is a misses and women's dress in 2 lengths. It also has a shelf bra built into it, so that's really great. It's gonna be perfect for spring, summer. Suggested fabrics are 2-way stretch knit, ITY knits, jersey, rib knits, spandex blends, and this is available in size 10 through 28W. This pattern is also rated easy, so go ahead and jot this down if you're looking for a nice dress for upcoming spring and summer weather. Next pattern here is Simplicity 3065. This is a misses and women's dress with a tie belt. For fabric recommendations, you can use a cotton blend, a denim, a linen, or a twill. And for sizing, it's available in size 10 through 38W. This pattern is rated average, so if you are a brand new beginner, you may not want to jump into this one just yet because it does have buttonholes, buttons, lots of pockets. But hey, if you're up for the challenge, I am never going to tell you not to do it, okay? This is a fantastic, again, cute dress. Is going to be great for spring and summer, so go ahead and write down Simplicity 3065 if you are interested. The next one here is Simplicity 3066. This is a misses special occasion gown. So if you're going to be sewing for upcoming prom season, this one right here may be one to check out. Again, this is a misses special occasion dress. Some of the fabric recommendations are brocade, a satin, and a shantung. It's also available in sizes 8 through 26. This pattern is also rated average. So again, this is going to be great for upcoming prom, maybe even wedding season, maybe mother of the bride, something like that. But again, definitely go ahead and check this out. This is Simplicity 3066. Next up is Simplicity 3067. This right here is a misses top with A, B, C, and D cup sizes. For fabric recommendations, they recommend a denim, a linen, suiting fabrics, and a twill. You will also need some lining fabric for this as well. For sizing, it's available in size 8 through 24. This is a super cute top. I love the different variations of it. View B has this really cute scalloped collar. You can use some contrasting denim here like they did on View B. Lots of top stitching options. So yeah, this would be super cute for spring and summer. Again, the pattern number is Simplicity 3067. Next one here is Simplicity 3069. This one right here is misses pants and shorts. These are kind of given like that barrel style trend pant leg. Fabric recommendations, they recommend chino, a cotton blend, a denim, a twill. For sizing, it's available in size 4 through 22. So again, super cute pants pattern here. If you definitely like that trendy pant kind of barrel look, you can make them yourself with Simplicity 3069. Absolute favorite, this one right here, Simplicity 3071. This is another Mimi G pattern. I absolutely love this blazer. This is a unisex blazer right here. Fabric recommendations are cotton blend, a double knit, a lightweight denim, and linen blends, a ponte, stretch wovens, wool, and wool blends. You will also need some lining fabric for this. So I love that you can make it in a knit or in a woven fabric. So that's awesome. This is available in size extra small through extra large. Again, this is a unisex blazer. I love this. So if you're looking for a nice unisex blazer, definitely go ahead and write down Simplicity 3071. The next one here is Simplicity 3072, a really cute misses jacket right here. For fabric recommendations are a boil wool, fleeced, ponte knit, or wool blends. For sizing, it's available in size extra small through extra large. This pattern is rated as average. So if you are looking for a nice jacket, go ahead and write down Simplicity 3072. This This is gorgeous. This right here, Simplicity 3073. I love the detailing and all the seam lines on this one here. This is a Mrs. and women's jacket and pant. For fabric recommendations, they recommend a crepe, a linen blend, men's suiting. You will also need some lining fabric. For sizing, it's available in sizes 10 through 28W. The pattern is rated average, but look at all the beautiful seam lines and detailing that this has. I think this is a fantastic pattern right here. So if you work in corporate America, or maybe you just want a nice suit in your closet to pull out whenever, go ahead and write down Simplicity 3073. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my size. I'm gonna put this to the side for me. This one right here is definitely giving me Chanel inspired. This is a Mrs. and Mrs. Petite jacket, short and pants pattern. Super cute. I love that they made it in this really vibrant and pretty tweed. For fabric recommendations, they recommend a boucle, a linen blend, or a tweed. You will need some lining fabric as well. And it's available in sizes 8 through 26. The pattern is rated average. Again, the number is 3074. Okay, they have some super cute and easy to sew children patterns. 3077 is a nice, cute little girl's top. I love the collar and the lace detailing there. You can make this out of a chambray, a cotton and cotton tights, and a poplin. This one is for sizes 7 through 14. Also have 3078 here, a cute girl's dress. This one right here can be made in a lightweight cotton blends as well as lawn. It's available in sizes 3 through 8. Super cute dress for summer. Whose baby is this? How cute is he? Okay, Simplicity 3078, an easy to sew pattern. This one right here is a baby's bodysuit, shorts, and pants. Available in size extra small through large. Again, this one right here is rated easy. How cute is he? Adorable. Oh, this one right here, I love it. The children patterns are just hitting. Simplicity 3080. Cute little toddler's dress here. I love the piping detailing. This is rated average. And then you also have another easy to sew. This one right here is Simplicity 3081, a toddler's jacket and pants, available in sizes half through 4. And again, this one right here is rated easy. How cute. It's also some authentic vintage pattern reproductions here. I'm gonna put them right up here on the screen. These are just the first 3 that I came to in the box, but I'm pretty sure there are more. 3082 here, which is a really beautiful Mrs. Afternoon and evening dress with the bolero. Simplicity 3083, this one right here is a Mrs. dress and jacket. 3084, this one right here is a Mrs. cape and jacket. The cape is doing the work. Okay, the cape is the showstopper. It's the cape. It's the cape. So those are just a few that I came to first in the box. I'm pretty sure there are more. Let's keep going, friends. Maddie just dropped one of the most gorgeous corset dresses that I've seen. Absolutely love it. This is a Mrs. and women's corset dress with A through J cup sizes. Come on, Maddie. I absolutely love this pattern. This is Simplicity, again, 3085. This is rated average and it's available in sizes extra small through 5XL. Yeah. There's also some really cute craft and plush pet patterns in here as well. Simplicity 3086. This is a bag pattern here. This would be fantastic if you teach sewing, or maybe you just kind of want to, maybe teach one person, or I don't know, sew up something really quick. This is fantastic. Nothing like a quick bag to kind of teach somebody the basics of sewing. I think this would be a fantastic project. Or again, you can just make it for yourself. This rated easy. It's one size. Again, 3086 for a cute bag pattern. Some cute little plush pets and animal mini backpacks. I've been seeing a lot of animal mini backpacks. I've seen kind of like teenagers walk around with the stuffed animals around their neck, like it's just I don't know, but maybe. The plush pets are on Simplicity 3089, and the animal backpack is Simplicity 3090. And also, if you're into costumes, Rain Emery has a new pattern out. She just makes the best costumes. Like the detailing I absolutely love, and I love her sew-alongs. If you did not know, she does record a step-by-step video so that you can make your own version, and it just kind of takes, I don't know, maybe the overwhelm and it takes all that away, and you feel empowered, like I can do this too. So definitely check out again the new Rain Emery pattern. Is Simplicity 3094. How cute is this? This is a misses and women's dress with the length and sleeve variations. This is rated as an average pattern. For fabric recommendations, you can do a cotton blend, a poplin, a sateen, or a seersucker. It is available in sizes 10 through 28W. I love it, and I'm absolutely gonna make this. If you're interested in this dress, if it's your style, if it's speaking to you, go ahead and write down Simplicity 3096. Simplicity 3097. This is a misses dress with length and sleeve variations. It's rated as an average sew pattern. For fabric recommendations, you can use a poplin, a stable knit, suiting fabrics, as well as wool blends. It's available in sizes 8 through 26. Love, love, love. Go ahead and write down Simplicity 3097, or you could actually just go ahead and add it to the cart because again, they're already available on simplicity.com. Okay, next pattern here is Simplicity 3098. This right here is a misses dress with sleeve and length variations. This is rated as an average sew pattern. You can use a cotton blend, a linen blend, a poplin, or shirting fabric, and for sizing it's available in size 6 through 24. Really, really cute dress. You can have a lot of fun with your fabric. If you're going to be using striped fabric, you can have so much fun with this. So really cute dress. Again, this one right here, Simplicity 3098. Next one up here is Simplicity 3099. Super cute dress. These right here, this dress has detachable flowers on it. This pattern and also 2 other patterns, they all 3 have detachable flowers, so you can make the flowers and put them on anything from bags to hair accessories, jackets, whatever have you. You don't have to just put it on this dress because again, they are detachable. But again, this right here is Simplicity 3099. This is a cute Mrs. and Mrs. Petite dress in 2 lengths with detachable 3D flowers. For the flowers, I actually created a step-by-step video on how to create them. They are available over on simplicity.com. So definitely go ahead and check those out if you want to see these detachable flowers made. But if you're interested in this dress, the pattern again is Simplicity 3099. Such a cute dress here. This one is Simplicity 3100. This one is a Mrs. Special Occasion dress with a slip. Again, prom season is coming up. I don't know if this is the style for prom now, but if it is, this is a fantastic dress. Also be great for upcoming wedding and events. For view A and B, which is like the overlay of the dress, you can use a charmeuse, chiffon, or organza. And for the slip dress underneath, you can use a crepe or crepe back satin. The sizing is available in size 8 through 26W, and the pattern is rated average. So again, another really cute Mrs. Special Occasion dress. Go ahead and jot down Simplicity 3100 if you're interested. Okay, here is another one of those patterns that I said has detachable flowers. This is 3101. This is a Mrs. shirt with detachable 3D flowers. It's rated as an average sew. So view B, that flower is a gathered lily, and view C, that flower is a gathered rose. Again, step-by-step tutorials on how to make those are available on simplicity.com, and they are detachable, so you can make them and put them on whatever you want. Again, that pattern number is Simplicity 3101. Okay, the last one of those patterns that I mentioned that has the detachable flowers is Simplicity 3104. This is a Mrs. wrap skirt with the detachable flowers. Is rated as an average sew. You can make this out of denim, linen blends, and tweed. And for sizing, the skirt is available in size 8 through 26. Okay, this one right here is Simplicity 3105. This is Mrs. shorts and pants. You can make this out of a cotton blend, crepe, lightweight twill, denim, or poplin. This is again rated easy. It's available in sizes extra small through extra, extra large. I love the thick, wide hemband. I love the 2-row elastic waistband. I love the pleating. I'm all for a quick pull-on pant. I love them, and I don't really care how many is made. I want them. So again, if you're looking for a nice, easy to sew pant, definitely check out Simplicity 3105. This is probably my favorite pattern in the whole collection. This is a Mrs. jacket and pant. It is rated as an average sew pattern. For fabric recommendations, you can use a chino, a cotton blend, or twill. For sizing, it's available in size 8 through 26. I love it. I could wear this jacket year round because I love having on a I love having on something year round. I don't care. Again, this is Simplicity 3107. Simplicity 3108. This is a Mrs. Vest skirt and pant. This is rated as an average sew pattern. You can make this from a boucle, a cotton twill, a denim or linen blend, and it's available in size 6 through 24W. I love this look. You can wear this so many different places, as separates, as a set together, to church, to work. So many places, so many opportunities you can wear this. So I'm really excited. This is Simplicity 3108. Yes, I love this. This is a men's shirt, shorts, and pants. I love all the pocket detailing, all the zippers. I just think it's so great. This one right here is rated as an average sew pattern. Suggested fabrics are a chambray, a chino, a cotton blend, lightweight denim. It's available in size 34 through 52. I love this. I think this is a really, really nice men's pattern. So if you're interested, definitely write down Simplicity 3110. This is Simplicity 3111. A unisex jacket, shorts, and pants. This is rated as an easy sew pattern. You can make this from cotton blends, nylon blends, tech weather fabric, ripstop, nylon, polyester. For sizing, it's available in size extra small through extra, extra large. Okay, friends, we have some more vintage patterns here in the collection. I'm just going to put them up here on the screen together. Simplicity 3115 is a Mrs. two-piece play suit in 2 lengths and skirt. You also have 3116. This one here is a Mrs. Bolero suit and bodice. Ooh, bolero suit and bodice, cute. And you also have 3117. This one is a children's dress and apron. You also have the matching doll dress and apron as well. Very nice. Woo. Okay, friends, that is not even the full box. I only share with you just some. There are a lot more patterns in this collection. You have more costume patterns, more home patterns, lots of other patterns in this collection. And like I said, it's already available. You can head on over to simplicity.com and shop them today. If you are not on Simplicity's newsletter, go ahead and hop on it right now, because they put patterns on sale at least 3 times a month. And I'm not even exaggerating. There's always a sale on simplicity.com. I'll put their sale page link below that you can always just go to and see what's on sale, because there's always a pattern sale. So I really hope that you all have enjoyed this video. And if you would like to see the detachable bows sew along, check the link in the description box. It'll take you directly to those videos. Until next time, blessings everyone. Bye.